this is Newton's law calculation. So we are using an object going upwards. So what I want to do is acceleration. Everything has been calculated. So let's check how to use the app to calculate. So we're given 30 for the tension here at the top. This is 30 for the tension, and 2 kilogram and 1 kilogram for mass 2. Let's see how to calculate it. So we have tension as 30. Going to press here 30 times. See if we cannot get the same value. The mass is 2. It's 1, and then you see how the answer is. So you already calculated the acceleration and the tension. Let's see what did they get here. When you check here, they got the same value. Acceleration is 0.2, LT2 is 10. So same applies here. So this is the app that you can use to calculate those values. That's it.